Ooh, this isn't a deepfake, it's a eye magic. Turn any text into a celebrity voice in seconds. Free and no app. Want to make Trump sing or Goku roast your friends? Watch this till the end.
Folks, let me tell you, nobody orders a cheeseburger like I do. People say, Mr. Trump, how do you do it? I say it's simple extra cheese, lettuce is for losers, and the best ketchup made in America, not from China.
So open your browser and write in the search bar fakeyou.com. Okay, so now you can see this is an easy interface that you can see, fakeyou.com. So now you can see here different AI tools like text-to-speech, voice-to-voice, a voice designer and voice cloning, and VC voice conversion. So the video is about voice cloning, that how we can clone any voice into any. That how can we could turn any voice or even or voice into any celebrity and famous sound and voice. So just click on that and then you can see here, record your own voice or upload a file or drop here. So you can upload MP3 and also other formats that are supported by the platform. And the best part that you can use this platform and this amazing tool, powerful tool for free. Just upload your profile, just upload your file if you have already. And if you don't have any file, you can record directly here and then you can upload. So I have already a file about Donald Trump voice, so I'm going to upload that file. Oh, so now you can see I have uploaded my file and then click just on upload audio. And now in just a few seconds the voice and the file will be uploaded and then we can write. You can see enter text we can write anything that we want them to say and then we want them to speak. So for that you would have already a prompt or a text that you want them to speak. And if you don't have, you can try ChatGPT. So head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that I need for cloning voice a paragraph, short paragraph. So just for test, I have already done this. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, so the file that we have uploaded is done perfectly. Now we can paste our text that we asked ChatGPT to write. And now you can see below options, clear text and generate speak. So what do you need? Just click on generate speech. So the file that I have uploaded is about Donald Trump voice. So after that you will see you can have any file about any personality, any person that you want to clone. So it doesn't matter whether it is Donald Trump, Elon Musk, whatever you have, you can easily do this. So just click on generate speech. And now wait just for a few seconds and you will see amazing results. So now you can see the process that has been started and it just take a few seconds. So you can also use their premium version. So because premium user get longer audio and other benefits. So if you need other benefits and you don't have much time, so you can switch to their paid version. So I'm using just their free version and their free tool. So it will take some minutes and some time to do this work. Okay, so now you see that the device is generated. So just click on that. You can listen here, and you can also download here. So just click on the button download that you can see here. and the file will be downloaded and will be go to your gallery, your computer. If you are using mobiles, the same process can be repeated in mobile. So, but my recommendation is laptop and PC browser because it works smoothly. And you can also use mobile and right phone, but sometimes it has some problem. And if you don't have any laptop computer, so you can also use your Android phone. So just switch that Android phone into your desktop site, so it will work like PC. So let me tell you, nobody orders a cheeseburger like I did. People say, Mr. Trump, how do you do it? I say it's simple, like cheese, lettuce is real juice. Let's get your feet in the middle of China. So I think this is very best result, and I have listened. So you can also listen when you generate your own rice. So this is I think this is best tool, and you can use for free if you don't have much budget. So you can use this and you can test this tool. So what do you think about this? Thank you for watching.
And that's how you make anyone say anything with AI. No cost, no hassle. If you want more free viral tools like this, hit that follow button now. Next up, AI videos from a single photo. You don't want to miss it.